Today we're demonstrating how easy it is to use the Culinary Center on the JennAir Rise and Noir ovens. For this demonstration, we'll be selecting a beef tenderloin. So let's get started. First, let's power the unit on and select Culinary Center. Use the first and second row to select what type of food you'll be making. Select Next to choose your doneness level. This oven offers a full color display of the different types of doneness levels, from medium rare to well done, to ensure you get the exact result you're looking for. Our selection will be medium rare. The next set of options wants to know what type of pan you'll be using to cook your tenderloin. If you're not sure, it lists a full color photo display of the different pan options, as well as recommending the type of pan you should be using for your selected food item. The next screen allows you to review your cooking selections and any special instructions like what rack position you should be placing your food on, and cooking tips like the proper way to insert the roast probe. For beef tenderloin, the roast probe is required. Place your tenderloin in the oven on the rack position 3 as instructed. Insert the probe into the probe outlet. Close the oven door and press Start. The oven will now display the targeted internal temperature, the oven temperature, and the current core temperature. Once the tenderloin has reached the targeted internal core temperature, the oven will issue an audible and visual alert to remove your tenderloin. If you've downloaded the JennAir app, you will also get a notification on your tablet or smartphone that your food item is done and should be removed from the oven. Let your tenderloin stand to rest for 10 minutes after removing it from the oven and before carving. To learn more about the complete line of JennAir products, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.